The Glardon Vallorbe inside ring fixture by Syen-Set securely holds a ring in position while you hand engrave things like dates, initials, names, or symbols onto the interior surface. The inside ring fixture is ideal for work under a microscope. It features 6 threaded holes and includes 3 threaded clamps that help you accommodate any ring shape. The holder wheel rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to continue working without repositioning your vise or the ring. Now here's the steps to take when using the Glardon Vallorbe inside ring fixture. First, make sure you use caution whenever adjusting the fixture. Stretch flexible anti-slip tape around the ring. Open and adjust the fixture to fit the ring. Ensure the ring is centered in the fixture. Secure the ring gently with a screwdriver. When finished, loosen the inside ring fixture. Remove your tape and inspect your ring.